This video is to show you how to use Google Read and Write extension. So it's right here, Read and Write for Google Chrome. You double click on it. And if you do not have that, then you can add that as an extension by clicking on this little icon here, extensions, and looking for Read and Write. So then you scroll down and look for your lessons, view all lessons, and then whatever you want to highlight and have read to you, you highlight it, then you click play.
You've already made a lot of decisions in your life. Many of them small, some of them big. And you'll make lots.
And then to stop, you just stop it. And that's how you use Google Read and Write to read anything. I'm showing you for Zello, but anything on the internet or on your computer.